In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Out of Service option. Click on the menu. Click Out of Service. Use the search option to type the car name for easier access. Select the car that has a problem and needs to be out of service. Select the start date and time. This is when the car will go out of service. Select the end date and time. This is when the car will be ready again. Click Save. The car is now in maintenance and not available for booking. You can release the car early if needed. You can edit the schedule to extend the repair. Make changes and click Save again. Select a car that already has bookings but needs repair. Select the start date and time. This is when the car will go out of service and when the car will be ready again. A warning will appear showing the existing booking and client details. Click Save. Here you can see the booking details for this car. Contact the client to offer another car. Once client agreed to change to another car, click Edit on the car and select the replacement. Click Update. Now the car is out of service with no active bookings. Here you also have the option to release the car earlier. If the car is fixed before the selected date, click Release. After releasing it, the car becomes available for booking again. Thank you for watching.